Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Vishakha Rasal. Today in this video we are studying Nature of Management. That is our first chapter, Nature of Management. In today's session we are learning meaning and definitions of management, as well as concept of management, concept of administration and concept of organization. So let's start today's lecture. First, let's see what is the meaning of management. Management is the organization and coordination of the activities of a business in order to achieve defined objectives. Practice of modern management originates from the 16th century. Management consists of interlocking function to achieve organization's goal. Let's see different definitions of management. Management is the art of getting things done through others in formally organized groups. This definition of management is given by Harold Knuth. Then, next definition of management is given by Henry Fayol. And the definition is: to manage is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command, and to coordinate and to control. These are the functions of management. So according to Henry Fayol, the definition is: to manage is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command and to coordinate and to control. Next definition here is given by Peter Drucker. Definition is: management is a multiple purpose organ that manages business and manages managers and manages workers and work. This definition is given by Peter Drucker. Now let's see what are the different concepts. We will see the concept of management, concept of administration and concept of organization. Let's see what is the concept of organization. The function of organization is to set up harmonious interrelation between the employees and their work by delegating authority and responsibility among them. Organization is the foundation of managerial work. The nature of organization is reflected through the performance of work. The next is what is administration. The task of administration is to determine the objectives and policies of the enterprise. Then administration determines the structure by which the functions of management are directed. And administration is the center of the employees of the higher level. And last concept, that is the concept of management. The activity of management is to get the various works done by the operative employees to fulfill these objectives, which are determined by administration, and the managers supervise and control the work of subordinate employees according to plan. So here in this first lecture we have seen what is the meaning of management, what is the concept of management, and what is the concept of administration and organization. See you in the next video. Thank you.